How to log in Character AI app. So for that you need to just download this app from App Store or Play Store. Right after that it will ask you whether you want to log in or get started or basically create a new account on it. If you already have an account, just simply click on login. Now it will ask you to provide your email address and password. Just provide it and log into your account. But in case if you don't have an account, then simply get back and instead of clicking on login, click on get started. Now click on next and then it will just log in. Simply get back and over here you will find the option of sign up. Just click on it and now you can sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, Discord or Apple, or you can just provide your email address and password. After that, if you provide your email address and password, you would be sent an confirmation on your email address. Just click on it and after that you will be able to log into your app. And this is how easy it is to log into Character AI. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.